What is up, guys? Heading to the shop. I have a fun-filled day ahead of me. I'm gonna start off also by saying, do me a favor and please hit the subscribe button. I was going through analytics. I think I said button. Hit the subscribe button. I was going through analytics last night and literally like 80% of the people that watch the videos are not subscribing to the channel. It helps the channel grow a ton if you are a subscriber. So please do me a favor, sign in. If you're not signed in to YouTube or whatever, sign in and hit the subscribe button. Other than that, we got a ton of stuff happening at the shop and it's gonna be a great day. Quick run to the scrapyard. I got some catalytic converters and some other stuff that's just been floating around the shop. So a bunch of batteries. Oop. All right, so for 20 minutes worth of work, that was like over $150 worth of stuff for literally some stuff that was like, you know, it's garbage. It's something I would have thrown in the dumpster, but a couple old radiators from cars that we swapped radiators out in. There's a catalytic converter from this truck that we scrapped. I took the LS motor out of it, so I don't know, that's awesome. Jack's panel is ready for welding. You excited to weld, Jack? You look thrilled.
Thrilled.
Yeah, it looks really, really nice. Awesome. And this is that cowl piece.
Jack looks like he belongs.
Yeah, Timmy just said, I've never seen a car quite so fitting for a man. You fitting that thing or no?
I mean, I haven't tried to adjust the seat. That's not bad. If it was a 4-speed, I'd like it.
I like the wheels.
I like the chrome. The interiors and these things are a lot better than I thought they'd be.
What do you think of that thing?
That's Jack.
$302.
Could be you. Yeah. It's coins now. So if you leave your hood up and you taco it on the beam up there, that's called a matte brown. I've done it twice. To the same point. Like in the same week.
Oh, that's nice.
Almost every old car be this way.
Well, they're old cars.
Old cars, so many in the 80s, like hamburger, or 90s, but ooh, carpet. Oh, I can. Hello. I'm calling you. That's not good.
Well, the seat bracket is not existent.
Oh, this side's even worse. Hello. How are you?
There's the carpet.
There's a hole in it too. You can go coochie coochie coo. You know?
Alright. Well, don't make it too much worse than it already is.
That's the inside.
That's it for today, guys. I'm just in my office doing some billing and bookkeeping type stuff. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Have a good one, guys. See you tomorrow.